I'm sure you know this is the SystemeIO Facebook group. And what do we do on the Facebook group? We participate. Because if we just look at it, we are wasting time. We need to participate and input our feelings, our answers to the various questions that there is in a group. That's what it is for. Don't be a consumer. Huh? Be a producer. So you produce your answers. So you will ask me, oh, why? I don't have time for this. But you have time to be on the group to read it. You don't have time to type in. I'm not asking you to type anything interesting. Just reply to everything that you see. So let's start. Archie Gonzalez. Hi guys. What would you suggest for the payment in systems that is best for funnel page, courses, and affiliate marketing? So, this question, if you don't understand it or it's not clear enough, I will say I would suggest Stripe, but maybe he's asking for a price, but it doesn't matter. Maybe he should ask the question clearer, you know. So this is Anonymous. Hi, does anyone know if you can have an upsell in the funnel before you have the checkout? It's not an upsell. I want people to enter their email to join a free challenge and then it upsells them into an optional call before taking them to the checkout. So it's not an upsell. Before checkout, it will be called an order bump. But I don't even know if a call should be called anything. So use the 2 steps sales page. Okay, doesn't matter if you are not right about your answer. Just the fact that you answer. So if you ask me why should you do that, it's just to be present, to participate in the group. You will see that other people will see it, will do something with your profile, Facebook profile. And of course, you are on this Facebook, on everything, maybe for business. If you are not, then I don't know even what you are doing anywhere. What is it for? To talk with friends and family? Do you think you will find them in SystemeIO Facebook group? So if you are in a business mindset, then participate. Doesn't matter what you write. It doesn't matter at all. The more you participate, the better it is. That's it. There's no need for quality or of course, if you can do some quality answers, it's better, but even an answer is good enough. So, for T-Web, anyone with success in using SystemeIO for affiliate marketing, I'm just getting started. Would love to hear some advice. Yes, affiliate marketing and SystemeIO go well together. That's it. Tov Ziliakus. Does anyone have any fact on what works better? I have my own site where I will have info on my course. By clicking read more, I have 2 options. 1, have them go to a landing page on my website and from there be taken to the order form and when they click buy. Or 2, have them go to a sales page on SystemeIO. I also want to do paid advertising, so is number 1 or 2 better from a paid ad perspective? Any and all advice and opinion are usually welcome. I would say both are good option. Maybe the number 1 for ads is best. Not sure. Don't be afraid to show that you have some limitations. You don't know everything because it's like everybody. Roger Vigan, how many tags can you add to contact in system? I will need like 4 and 6 in some cases. You can add as many as you want. A lot. And this is true. There's no limit to the number of tags that you can apply to a contact. David and Dombi. 3 years ago, I could not even get a single client online. But due to the power of SystemeIO and funnels, today I'm able to generate several leads by simply using simple opt-in funnels. And what's even more important is that I'm able to convert those leads to paying clients. For example, recently I generated 32 leads within a week, out of which 10 converted to paying clients. Online marketing and funnels works. From my experience, here is what you should focus on if you want to get great results. So this is too long, so I will say great info. That's it. Aaron Bouquet. Anyone figure out a way to have an email sequence trigger when a 2 steps order form doesn't end up buying, aka cart abandonment? So there is an answer here, because this I'm not sure, because as you may know or not, I've never sold anything with SystemeIO. So I've used it a lot, but not to sell things. So all those things I'm not so sure about. But I can learn. So I see the answer from someone. funnel step form, subscribe. Yes, yes, of course. Yes, so that's the answer. I just need to read once because when a two steps order form doesn't end up buying. Yes, yes, you can do a workflow. If you use two tags, one for subscribing and one after sale, and in your workflow you can use the trigger of the first tag, wait about an hour, and check if the contact also has the second tag of sales. If not, then subscribe this contact to your campaign email. Then have another workflow which starts with the second tag and unsubscribe the contact from the campaign. This should work. Online Solutions Academy. Advice from someone, please. What is the best way to offer bonuses on your squeeze page? I thought about a pop-up, but that means they were exiting. Is there an optimal place on the squeeze to put them? I would say either by email or in the thank you page. Not before they give their email address. Prashant Goswani, discover the little known strategy that can skyrocket your sales by 300%, of course. Funnel hacking is basically studying and breaking down other people's marketing funnels to learn what works, and then using those successful methods in your own marketing plan. Essentially, it's about emulating proven. So this is too long. I say great info. Yasser Shafik. Hi there, I'm new to SystemeIO and funnels generally, so apologize if I'm missing something obvious. I'm building a form, but I'd like to include a validation on the phone number field. I can't see any way to go about it. Where are my options? Thanks in advance. I'm reading. You know this, I didn't know what he's saying. He's saying that you can add a custom validation feature. So I think it's a new thing. I never saw it. Yeah, I didn't know that. Also do it in JavaScript, but since as the custom validation feature, this is a preferred way to go. You know, you learn things, but even I should see for myself because I'm not sure what this person answer. Maybe it's wrong. We never know. But maybe it's true and it could be a new thing. Jane Tabachnik just wrapped up an online submit run completely in SystemeIO. I'm so impressed and delighted with how well and easily it works. I've had a subscription for months and this is the first time I really used it. Having tried many other funnel builders, I have to say this is the easiest, most intuitive. The design builder tools are the best. Thanks Oriana Maker. Now on to build my next funnel. So congratulations. And this will be the end of this video. Bye bye.